What's up, guys? Learning with Rich here. In this video, let's continue our discussion about Navisworks Manage 2025 for beginners. So last video, we have learned how to create an animation using the viewpoints that we have saved. Okay, so this time, let us just explore more navigating our viewpoints, okay, or our view. So this time, let us learn how to change the visual style or the render style mode of our scene view. Okay, so the first render mode is full render. Okay, you can find it here from the view tab, render style. So you can see this drop down arrow. So that's your render mode. So the first one there is full render. So that's the full render. So in full render mode, the model is rendered with smooth shading, including any material or materials that have been applied with the Autodesk rendering tool or have been brought through from, let's say, Revit or other native CAD file. Okay, so just take note that Navisworks does not convert all native CAD file textures. All right, so that is your full render mode. Okay, so another option is shaded view. So you can change this one to shaded. Click that one. So the only difference is that there's no texture here. Okay, so the model is rendered with smooth shading, but there's no texture or there's no material applied to it. Okay, so that is your shaded. So another option is wireframe. Click that drop down and then look for wireframe. So you can click that. So I really seldom use this render mode. Sometimes I use this during clash detection, but most of the time I only use shaded view. Okay, I do not want my PC or my laptop to feel burden on Navisworks Manage. That's why instead of full render, I just use here shaded. Okay, so in wireframe mode, which is this one, the model is rendered in wireframe. Okay, as Navisworks uses triangles to represent surfaces and solids, all triangle edges are visible in this mode. Okay, so that's your wireframe. And then the last one is hidden line. So let's change that one to hidden line. Okay, so this is now our hidden line. So in hidden line mode, the model is rendered in wireframe, but only the outline and facet edges of surfaces that are visible to the camera are displayed. Okay? So unlike the wireframe mode where surfaces are rendered transparent, hidden line mode renders surfaces opaque. Okay? So these are the four render mode in Navisworks Manage. Okay, so usually I just use here shaded. Now let's say, for example, you want to change the background. So all you have to do is to right click on the blank space and then you can see here background. So let's click that one and then you'll be able to change the background settings. So currently it's plain, so you can change it by color like that. Okay, right? Or you can change this graduated. So click that one. So this is how it looks like. So apply. So you can change that like that. So it's up to you how you want to view your model. So you can also change that horizon. So this is horizon. You can change the sky color, horizon sky color, horizon ground color, and ground color. Then just apply and that's it. Okay. So that's how you change the background of your Navisworks, right? And another thing that you can consider here is changing the lighting. This one. So full lights, scene lights. Okay, so let's read. So full lights uses the highest quality lighting, which is this one. This is already the highest quality lighting. The next one is scene light. So uses just the lights specified in the original CAD files. So if no lights are available, it will use two default opposing lights are used instead. All right. that one. Okay, so that's your scene light, and then headlight. So what does it means? So it uses a light shining directly from the camera location. Okay, and the last one is no light. There you go. Okay, so these are the different render style, your render mode, and then lighting, and that's how you change the background color of your scene view. All right, so that's it for this simple video. So hopefully you learned something. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.